Yeah, we'll get 2 security on the next one. Apparently, in there one side and the next one. In there one side, the security. And in can do security. They will have to this one.
You have to ask the supervisor.
That's why they have man.
It look like the two of them have gone.
No, we don't have to find out that. We don't need to find out that.
If what?
It's
Two security. Two security.
Yeah. Because what? I would just say one watch and see what going. I want the next one, not see. You understand me? Yeah, you know it. How long time?
Alright. First of all, let me get this clear to you. Say this robbery take place yesterday. Yesterday. You see me I say? Like after 12 yesterday, this robbery take place. See me? So basically daylight. Me I talk about in a Saturday. Saturday, September. Right? That's the 9th month, the 2018, the 22nd Saturday me I talk about. You know what I mean? And in the background, right, all you can hear, you know, is the security or maybe the police them, you know, I watch a surveillance tape. And them ask if both of the security guard have gone. You know, so maybe I won. So really and truly, them a look for a bigger defense now, cause them a go want more security when them see all these things happen. So you know, so next time a straight shootout. You know what I mean? All the poor little man sit down upon the thing where them a rob there, you know. Now, that a one thing where the man them in the background with the surveillance tape I said to themselves and I ask themselves, yada. But that's not what me see. What me see is two young men are damage them record of life right now because them face them on camera. You know, one of them look like them in a hat, but the next one, him face surely can't miss. Them identify him. See me? And you tell me say this is the first record them are gonna put on feed them stage of life. You know? Robbery like this. Young men like that. You see it? Yeah, man, I tell you, as much as you see it, I don't see security guard goodly panic too, you know, because you can see these youth, you know, they don't know what go on, you know. Things and times different and change. Anyways, let me know what you think about the whole of the situation here, yo. Like, this is not normal. Young men destroying them lives, yeah, with the gun. May I tell you. Anyways, if you need to know more what go on, you have to click the subscribe button, you know. Stay in tune with what go on in Jamaica. Fast and quick with the Skilla. My name is Skilla, and thanks for the viewing.